everyone, welcome to the channel. So here we are discussing the question trade surplus on Codechef. So the problem states that Sheffland consists of three countries named A, B and C. Country A exports goods worth A1 units and imports worth A2 units. Country B exports goods worth B1 units and import goods worth B2 units. So a trade surplus occurs when a country exports strictly more than it imports. We need to find whether country C is in trade plus or not. So A, B, C trade only between themselves here, and the input format is T, which is number of test cases, and A1, A2, B1, B2, denoting exports and imports of countries A and B respectively. So in the first test case, as we see, the exports are 4 and 5, 4 from A, 5 from B, and the imports are 6 and 4. So if you see, exports minus imports is here negative, which is -2, and exports minus imports for B is +1, which is 5 minus 4. Hence the net exports combined are -2 plus 1, which is -1. As net export is -1, so the export of C would be 1 and yes would be printed here, as it is the trade surplus. So now if we look at another example, we have all 1. So if we see, the net would come out to be 0 here, and hence the combined export of C is 0, so we output no. Now we take another example. It is 10, 12, 5 and 6. So here we first do 10 minus 12, so 10 minus 12 is -2, then 5 minus 6, 5 minus 6 is -1, and we add both of them. So we have 10, 5, 12 and 6. Now 10 minus 5 is 5, 12 minus 6 is 6. The total comes out to be 11. So for C it would be -11, hence it is not a trade surplus, so we output no. So in all the cases you can observe that if our answer is negative, then we would output yes, else we would output no. So how to calculate the answer? Simply one way is that you can compare your A1 must be less than A2, or you can say B1 must be less than B2. Now if suppose any of them is greater, as in case of 4, 5, 6, 4, where 4 is less than 5 but 6 is greater than 4, still a yes is coming because overall is less than 0. So how do we calculate now? Instead of writing individual conditions, we can just say A1 minus A2 plus b1 minus b2. This is our value, and if this is less than 0, then we output yes, else we output no. So hence this is the solution to the problem. Just we need to check this value and our work would be done. So this is the main value which we need to focus on. So I hope you all understand this solution. Thanks for watching.